Do you want to start an online coffee mug business, but you're not sure how to? If so, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to start an online coffee mug business. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Lala, and Derek and I created this channel, DIYMugBiz, to help others build their own highly profitable online coffee mug business. If you're looking to start a mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'll show you how to get our free ultimate DIY Mug Biz Starter Kit if you're looking to start your own online coffee mug business. In the starter kit, you'll be able to get the exact equipment and inventory you need to start your own online coffee mug business. Now, let's get to the step-by-step on how to start an online coffee mug business. So when I first started my online coffee mug business, I actually used the platform Etsy. If you haven't heard of Etsy, Etsy is a platform that it's mainly for handmade products. Etsy is actually where my shop is, and I am still currently using Etsy. I know a lot of people try to stay away from Etsy because of a lot of fees. For one, I really like Etsy because I don't have customers. Etsy brings you all your customers and your leads. So I'm willing to pay that fee so that Etsy can find me my customers since I don't have a customer base. So if you don't have an account with Etsy, you can go ahead and sign in and do register. So once you hit register, you'll be able to put in your email address, your first name, and your password. Click register, and then you'll be able to have an account with them. Once you have an account with them, Etsy allows you to create a seller's account. Etsy is very user-friendly. On this left bar over here, the stuff that you need, which is the dashboard, your listings, your messages from your customers, your orders and shipping, your stats, your finance, your marketing, and all the other features. So this is actually my listings, and once you set up your Etsy account, the next thing you'll need is a mug press. You can go ahead and invest in one that's cheaper. I actually went through Heat Press Nation. They pretty much have everything that you need, and the heat press I have is the Signature Series Automatic Sublimation Heat Transfer Mug Press, and it's about $350. And I really like this heat press. And so once you find a heat press that you need, you'll need your coffee mugs. The good thing about Heat Press Nation is that they can be a one-stop place for you. They have your coffee mugs and your heat press, along with your sublimation paper and the printer also. And I know starting off, it can get a little pricey because of the heat press and buying all the inventories and also your equipment. But once your product is up and your listings, depending on how much you're pricing your mugs for, you can definitely make that money back in return. Me personally, I profit about $15 per mug, so I'll make back that money in no time. But roughly about 25 mugs, I'll be able to make that money back, and so 25 times $15 in profit, that's $375. So I'll make that back in 25 mugs. The good thing about making the mugs yourself, instead of going to a drop shipper or a third party that makes your mugs for you, you're able to create a gift for your customer. Charge a little bit more for your mugs, especially if you're gift wrapping. And a lot of times people are on Etsy looking for a gift, not buying things for themselves. They're buying things for someone else. Being able to control the mugs and making it yourself, you're able to include that gift wrap, making your product a little bit more special for your customer. People are willing to pay a little bit more. That way they don't have to go out and do it themselves or find a product and then gift wrap it themselves when you're a one-stop for them. Since I started my shop, that's all I've been doing. I include my gift wrap and with my price, and that's why I'm able to charge a little bit more for my mug. and that's why my profit is about $15 per month. So once you have your Etsy and you get all your equipment inventory that you need from Heat Press Nation, that's pretty much all that you need. The cool thing about Heat Press Nation is that they pretty much have everything from your heat tape to your sublimation paper to the mugs that you need to the sublimation printer to your heat press. You name it, they have it. And they're pretty fast with their deliveries. So yeah, that's how you start an online coffee mug business. But before I let you go, as promised, I will show you where you can get my ultimate DIY starter kit. And in the starter kit, you'll be able to get everything that you need, including everything that I talked about, your equipment inventory that you need. You'll be able to know exactly where to get it from and how much it is. Also, if you're thinking about doing gift wrap, I actually include all the product that I use along with the pricing and the link to where you can get that too. Alright, so let's get to the free ultimate DIY Mug Biz Starter Kit. The link for the ultimate DIY Mug Biz Starter Kit will be in the description below. Also, you will find that link in the comment. Once you click that link, it will take you to this homepage. Once you're on the homepage, if you scroll down, it will be the first box. Once you click on that first box, it'll take you to the homepage of the ultimate DIY Mug Biz Starter Kit. In the starter kit, you will find the exact equipment inventory you need to start your very own mug business. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find the goods that the starter kit will prepare you and educate you for your own mug business. And then if you keep scrolling down, you'll find the enroll button. Once you click on that button, it will take you to this sign up page. Once you sign up, you will get an email confirmation saying that you are now enrolled. I hope that this video was helpful, and if you like this video, please click the like button. Also, if you're thinking about starting your own online mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And I will see you in the next video.